An OE error code is an indication that the dishwasher has not fully drained within the correct time frame. In most cases, this error code can be corrected without the need for service. Follow these simple steps to locate possible issues that could be the source of the error. Begin by checking for any loose debris in the tub that may be causing a clog. If the unit has a filter, remove the filter and clean it using a soft brush and warm water with mild detergent. Next, inspect the drain hose. Look under the sink for a ribbed or corrugated light gray hose running to the drain. Be sure that nothing has gotten pushed against the hose causing it to kink or to be pinched causing a restriction to the drain. Inspect the air gap if one is installed. It is usually located on top of the sink next to the faucet. Remove the cap of the air gap and inspect for debris. The air gap can be cleaned using a small brush. Finally, if the unit is a new install or if a garbage disposal has recently been installed, check to be sure that the knockout plug for the dishwasher drain on the garbage disposal has been removed. This can be inspected by removing the dishwasher drain hose from the garbage disposal. After following these steps, if the OE error code continues, service will be needed to resolve the issue.